Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Whenever you try to install this game in your game bar, you are getting the error. You are not signed in to your profile. You must be signed in to play the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open the Xbox game bar and select the profile icon and select the sign out option. After signing out your account, you just need to close stuff here. Now go to search menu and type Xbox and relaunch the Xbox. Now select the sign in option and select the sign in. Select your account and select continue. After signing to your account, you can try to install Modern Warfare 3 and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second method guys. Method 2 is to log in Xbox and Microsoft Store with the same account. To do this, you just need to open the Xbox and select the profile icon and select sign out. After signing out, you just need to open the Microsoft Store and select the profile icon and note down your email address. After that, you just need to open the Xbox and select the sign in option and select the sign in. Now you need to sign in to Xboxgamebar with the Microsoft Store email address. Just select the one you signed in to the Microsoft Store. The same email address you just need to select over here in the Xbox. Just select it and then select continue. Select let's go. Now you can try to install Modern Warfare 3 and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.